Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're in. Now remove video entries. First, open Facebook app or browser and sign in. Once done, go straight to your profile, tap Menu, then Settings and Privacy and choose Activity Log. Use the filters Control, pick Interactions and then Videos so you only see video-related history. This narrows results and prevents accidental deletes of other actions. Make sure you're viewing the right account if you manage multiple profiles or pages. That prevents deleting the wrong history. Now review and act on the filtered list. Scroll through entries and tap the three-dot menu beside each video action to remove or delete. For many items, use the checkbox selection and the clear or delete selected option. If you need a specific time frame, apply date filters to limit the results before bulk deleting. That speeds the process and reduces errors. Remember, deleted entries may be unrecoverable, so inspect previews and timestamps to ensure you're removing only what you intend. Finish by confirming deletions and letting Facebook sync. Don't navigate away until the UI indicates completion. If items still appear, clear the app cache or browser cache and force refresh the activity log. Sometimes stale data persists. If that fails, log out and log back in or try a different device. Sync delays can be server-side and resolve after 10 to 15 minutes. One key tip: if deletions repeatedly fail, check for account restrictions or content access settings that may block history edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.